Welcome. On October 21st, 2022, Natural Resources Conservation Service has moved their web pages to a new environment. The URL for this website is https://www.nrcs.usda.gov, and this is what the new site looks like. This is an overview on the Soil and Plant Science Division's Soil Science website, which is part of NRCS. This overview is being done on a computer, but the web page is also mobile friendly. To find soil information, let's click on Conservation Basics and then Soil. This takes you to the Soils landing page. Notice on the left side beneath Soil, there are links for soil health and soil science. Those will take you to the respective pages. You may also pull the search bar up and down to move through the entire page. Notice in the middle, there's an On This Page section. There's how to get assistance, contact information, and related news and events. Clicking any of those will jump you down to that area on this page. Below that, there are examples of soil practices videos that you may wish to watch at a later time. Beneath that, there's again a link for soil health and one for soil science to take you to those respective pages. Below that, there's the section on how to get assistance. You would just follow through the online instructions. You can also find information about a service center by selecting the state and the county you're interested in and clicking search. This will bring you to information for all local service centers in that area with all the pertinent contact information. Let's click the back arrow to return. Beneath that, we have related news and events. You can click on any of the cards, or you click on View More News or View More Events. In this case, we're going to say View More News. Now, if you use the search bar and pull all the way down to the bottom, you can see we have a lot of news articles. There are numbers 1, 2, and 3 to go to the first, second, and third page of news articles. There's a next and a last. But in this case, we're going to go back up to the top. We want to filter out some information so that we don't have such a large list. We are going to say we are interested in news, and we don't want national. We just want the local, and we're interested in soil. So we're going to say apply. And you can see we have a much reduced list of news articles to read. Use the back arrow and back arrow again to get back to the soils page. At the bottom of the NRCS pages and the soils pages, there's a section for Ask USDA, where you can post questions to USDA. There's a link to their email or to their website. There's a phone number, there's email, and there's an area for Ask a Question. Also beneath that, there's policies and statements, which has information like the Freedom of Information Act, privacy policy, accessibility statement, non-discrimination statement. There's related sites, again, the USDA.gov, Ask USDA, etc. And there's also resources. The My FPAC employee links is where employees would go to find out more information related to their employment. There's also a link for e-directives there. And there's also this subscribe to our newsletter. If I pull back up to the very top of the page, you'll see there's also at the very top a subscribe link. And there's links for the related pages about NRCS, farmers.gov, USDA.gov. And there's one for state offices. So if you're looking for state-specific information, you would click on state offices. For now, let's click on subscribe. So you would simply put in your email address, click submit. And in my case, I have password protected my subscriptions. So I'll put in my password. And now here's a list of all the topics that you can subscribe to. Anywhere there's a blue circle with a I in it, you can pass over that and get more information specific to that topic area. And anywhere you have a blue checkbox, that's one that you're subscribed to. So if you want to unsubscribe, you would simply click the box to turn it off. So the customer has complete control in what information they get and they can come in and customize this at any time. Once you've changed your subscriptions, you would come down to the bottom, and there's a submit button. So you would click submit, and then you can see more information in the farmers.gov area. For now, we're going to click the back arrow, click it again, and we're done with the farmers.gov, so let's just close that. We'll reduce our screen size again to get back to the soils page. So that covers the main getting started information. We're going to break this into part 2 video to keep the video short and easy to watch. So let's wrap this up and I'll come back and we'll go into the soil science pages.